Oh my gosh. So I don't have the other camera on, but look at this whopper I just caught. Oh, 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 Mr. Kapper. Do believe you have lost. Oh my gosh. I gotta get her back in the water. Wow. Oh yeah. Hello. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is the biggest I've ever caught. Oh. Whoo. Alright, you're going back in. Wow.
Isn't it so awesome to see Mrs. Kapper excited, catching her biggest bass? So we definitely plan to do a little bit more fishing, but I want to give you some ideas. Yeah, that way, Mrs. Kapper, you go, honey. Okay, so here's the spot Mrs. Kapper just caught that big bass in. She didn't videotape it, but I wanted to point out a few things since we got some guff when we built this pond. But anyways, that cedar is the 20-foot tree that I laid down in there. And that concrete pier, we took a little bit of guff over that. People are like, you're just littering in your pond. Well, no, not really, because this is, it's never going to biodegrade. It's never going to go away. It's just like rock. And there's all these crevices under there. And obviously, right down here is where she hooked that big bass. So the environment that we are creating, it's not natural, but we know how to create it, you know, just like land management, and it really can work. So I look forward to getting some more big ones. I'm going to start videotaping a little bit of fishing action here. But I tried it now and I didn't get any, so she's a better fisherman than me so far, so stay tuned. Got a good sized snake right there. Let's go check it out. It's brown. Well, that's a... Well, I couldn't tell if that was a copperhead or not. It's a good size one. It looked like it had the eyeballs. Look at him rattling his tail right here. It looked like it had the eyes of a viper. No, not so much. Miss Kapper will love that. Warming up on the driveway. All right, Mrs. Kapper got the 0 turn stuck. And she was waiting until I got home. She's like, bring the tractor back here. And I said, grab your electric. I said, that thing has gobs of power. So she didn't take any film, but she winched it out with the electric, the Intimidator. She's really gonna like the Polaris with the wireless. This electric one doesn't have a wireless remote on it for the winch. Okay, so our fruit orchard here below the house is an epic failure. Partly our fault. I don't remember if we sprayed them each spring or not, but look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got one of them alive. What a shame. I think these are mostly all apple trees. Darn shame. These two here, we bought these large. I mean, they were already had like 2-inch bases on them, and neither of them made it. We'll keep trying. We'll keep trying. Yeah, there's not a single bud, nothing. Nope, dead. D-E-D, dead. Well, I guess we'll take the one for now and keep planting more. Frickin' corn pellets in the Hustler. They'll come out like popcorn. Nice. Frickin' mice. Making frickin' popcorn, no lie. Look at this crap. Popcorn. Popcorn. And it smells hideous. Popcorn. Popcorn. What? Them damn mice. I wonder if that's a mouse in there or if that's just corn burning still. When this happened with the ATV, I was just joking when I said popcorn, but now I'm not anymore. Look at that. That's crazy. Frickin' mice. I hate them. Hate them. And I don't think it should hurt the engine. And this makeshift concrete pier, we took a lot of guff saying, oh, you're throwing garbage in your pond. Do over.